In Salesforce, an object is a collection of data that is used to store and manage information. The account is a specific type of object that is used to track and manage customer accounts. So, what information is stored in the account object? Some common data points that are tracked include the account name, the industry, the billing and shipping addresses, and the account owner. Additional fields can be added and customized to meet the specific demands of the company. The account object is a key part of the Salesforce platform and is used by sales, customer service, and marketing teams to track and manage customer relationships. It allows businesses to store and access important information about their customers in one central location. In addition to tracking customer accounts, the account object can also be used to store information about the products and services that customers have purchased. This can help businesses better understand their customers' needs and preferences and identify opportunities for upselling. Overall, the account object is a powerful tool for businesses looking to improve their customer relationships and drive sales. By tracking and managing customer accounts in Salesforce, businesses can get a better understanding of their customers and make informed decisions about their sales and marketing strategies. If you want to know what are the leads in Salesforce, check out our video on the lead object. We hope this video has helped you understand the role of the account object in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest videos.